Welcome to our tutorial on how to show the starred label in Gmail on your PC. The starred label in Gmail allows you to easily mark important emails for quick reference and easy access. If you want to show the starred label and have your starred emails at your fingertips, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open Gmail. Launch your Gmail account by visiting the official website and signing in. Step 2. On the top right corner of the screen, click on the Settings icon. It looks like a gear. Step 3. From the drop-down menu, select See All Settings. This will take you to the Settings page. Step 4. On the Settings page, click on Labels from the top menu. Step 5. Look for the starred label, and next to it, click on Show. By showing the starred label, you can easily identify and access your important emails that you have marked with a star. This feature helps you stay organized and ensures that your important messages are always within reach. Thank you for watching our tutorial. For more helpful tips and tricks for optimizing your Gmail usage, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.